So today's vlog is about the dining area or the dining room for the apartment. And so here I am going to show you the electrical fixtures for a very common apartment. Here is our lighting switches. Okay. And the convenience outlet and the USB outlet there. And at the other side is the switch for the ceiling fan. Okay. And at the top of that switches is the LED tube wall lamp, and then the emergency lights. And at the bottom of the switches and the outlet is the TV outlet, the telephone outlet, and two pieces convenience outlet there. And this box here, this is a utility box for the proposed interphone, which is connected to the family room, to the kitchen, and to the ladies' room and the men's room. At the other side, we have here the two pieces convenience outlet near the corner, and on top of that is the outlet for our window type air conditioning unit. And opposite that wall, we have another two pieces convenience outlet there. Okay. And for our ceiling lamp, we have two pieces LED downlight. That is the 28 watts LED circular downlight. And at the center is the ceiling fan. And this door here is the access from the men's room, and this other door here is the access from the kitchen and going to the ladies' room. Okay, and that's it for this dining room.